my God. Bennett, where are we now? This is the Casey Junior train. Whoa, here we go. Disneyland Paris. We're on the train ride here. Whoa, Casey Junior's train. Actually quite good. This is pretty good, eh, Bennett? Are we scared? Nah, we're not scared. Alrighty. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Casey Junior. Yeah. Not bad, ain't bad? Trisha's right in front of us there. It's pretty good. You like this one, Bennett?
Yes.
It's a good one, eh? Alright. Yeah, we'll get to go another after this. What do you think? I think this could be the end. Alrighty. Coming to a stop here. Casey Junior's train ride. Alright. Let's try another one after. You better believe it, baby. Okay. I know. Alright.